YouTube. I always wanted to make a in a car wash. YouTubing in a car wash, alright. And yeah, I better say this without retakes and all that, because my normal videos are like that. Thing is, what I was thinking, if you have an idea or something that you want to do, maybe making a YouTube. I had an idea a long time back, like set up a mobile camera, mobile phone on parking lots or parking lot machines. I don't think that was fun. So through modern technology, this second video is going to be stitched into the first video in the car wash. And so, can you make a video in a car wash, a YouTube video? Yes, you can, the intro part. And then you got to continue, and you got to learn video stitching at least. Okay, that's very easy to do. To finish up on what I actually wanted to say was, if you got something in your head, okay, like might be a simple thing like making a YouTube video or waking up early or some planet changing ideas that you may have, you better do something about it. Okay, like I had an idea about adding a data device like a mobile phone with a data connection onto parking ticket vending machines. The thing is, I forgot what the idea was. It's that bad, probably 8 years back or something, and yeah, I can't remember, I can't recall. I mean, I've written it down somewhere, but can't be bothered to do that. So if you want to do something, or if you have an idea of get something, that you want to get done, please do something about it. Might be silly, doesn't matter. Put it out there. Let somebody else copy it and do it. Publish it somewhere. Write about it. Maybe somebody will just take your idea and copy it and do something with it. You might not get the credit, but at least it's out there in the world, So, and probably your intention was to change the planet. So it doesn't matter who changes the planet. Yeah. All right then. Cheers.